대림일동 24세기에 진다 10의 딸 니셔탁승 to the 23rd fourth month of 2021 class 6 Zinda Tuba Big Zinda Big Tibetan class. Good morning my dear students, class 6. So last time we have learned Nami Angu, as I taught you, is a noun. So about that we have done the exercise, fill in the blanks, question answers. I hope you all have completed the board. Today we will go to the next chapter, that is Latin. Okay? Latin. So from the Lekshi Janwang, as I told you before, Lekshi Janwang is the name of a Tibetan grammar book. Which is very important to learn. So from that book, today's topic is Latin. Okay? So from that book, Lekshi Janwang, Tibetan grammar book, so there is a main root of Latin. So you have to learn. You have to learn it by heart. So the tawas are as follows. I hope you all have books now. You can turn to page number 16. Page number 16. So from there, the tawa goes su ra ru tu na la tu la din nam pa din in te. 나의 니시 윤바방 대니 체각 남라 주 사수 가파 다카르 투 나타 나마라라 두 아탄 타미 라탄 루. This is the main tawa. You have learned it by heart. Again, so once again I will repeat it. Sura rutu nala tu Latin number dinin de Name Nishi Dimbabang Deni Seka Namla Juk Sasu Kapa Takar Tu Nata Nama Rala Tu Hadan Ami Radan Ru. So definition of these tawas are as follows. Shepatar, as said on the tawa. So there are seven main points. That is such as su, ra, ru, tu, su, ra, ru, tu, na, la, tu. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 alphabets are the main point of Latin. So where we have to use, how we have to use, according to the sentence, let us see. This Latin means 7. Din means 7. In Tibetan we call Din means 7. These are the main points of Latin. So this where we can use this Latin Name Nipa Laser Chawadan Shiba Guje Dubakene Niban Nanze Hini. These 7 main points can be used in 5 ways. So first, Name Nipa Lesu Chawa. First we are going to learn Name Nipa Lesu Chawa. Latin Chedipo Dai Josuni Ryumi Nando Tenipa. Yes. How we have used, you can turn to page number 17, then you will see how they have used this 7 main points of the Latin in 5 ways. The 5 ways are, what are they? Nami Nipa. Number 1 is Nami Nipa Lesu Chawa. Nami Nipa means Lesu Chawa. Nami Shipa Gyuje Dumpa Teni Nipe Nansen Teni and La Nipe Nansen Teni and Dupe Nansen Seka and Dupe Nansen Seka. For these 5 main points we can use. Latin that is also Ryumi Namko changes. Now, in page number 17 in the box, you can see where they have used these Latin main points. Jinjuk. There are how many Jinjuk? There are 10 Jinjuk as we all know. 10 Jinjuk. What are the 10 Jinjuk? Ha, ma, ha, ra, la, sa. These are the main 10 Jinjuk in Tibetan grammar where we have learned in class 2 exam. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 10 Jinjuk. Now, according to this Jinjuk, we are using the 7 main points of Latin. So, if the Jinjuk is sa, if the Jinjuk is this sa, so we have to use this one, sa Jinjuk, su, according to the Jinjuk. Then, if the Jinjuk is ka, Hatha means ha yang juk, okay? Then we have to use tashabju tu. And if the Jinjuk is na, tha, na, ma, ra, la, where we have to use tashabju tu. And if the Jinjuk is ha, and without Jinjuk, where you can use ra or ru, any words you can use ra or ru. Then na-ni and na and la Jinjuk in this na and la, we have to see the sentence and we have to use any words, any main 5 and 7 points of the Latin. So in the Chawa, if you learn Chawa, it is said that Latin Latin nami isi di badan tinggi sekarang laju sa su ka pada tu sa su then ka and pa and ka ayam ju we can use tasab ju tu and na pa na marala tu na pa na marala tu adam kami radam if the ha and there is no Jinjuk we can use ra or ru. Okay. So these are the main points that we have to learn. We have to learn and we have to understand it. Okay, according to the Jinjuk, where we have to put the main points of Latin. Okay. Now, Nami Nipalese Chawa. Number 1. I told you it has been divided into 5 main link. So number 1 is Nami Nipalese Chawa. Now, what do you mean by Nami Nipalese Chawa? Nami Nipalese Chawa. Chaveyula Chawa Chepa, Sora Temple, Latin King Namila, Nipa, Les Chawa says. The definition of Nami Nipa, Les Chawa. Nami Nipa is Les Chawa. The definition of Nami Nipa, Les Chawa is Chaveyula. There is a word in the place which shows you how the person is doing the work. That type of sentence are known as Nami Nipa, Les Chawa. Examples are given you there. Virginie, Zimshak to pet. Zimshak to pet. Go to your room. You have to go to your room. That is the word. So, where is the place? Is your room. Latin check. What is the Latin check? Tashabju tu. In that sentence, tashabju tu is the Latin main point. Tashabju tu. So, where we have to use tashabju tu? If the Jinjuk is ha, and ayam, we have to use tashabju tu. Then, what is the word? What is the word you are doing? You are going. You are going to your room. Going is a word. So, the sentence is that Zimshak tu, shaka shak. Shaka shak. Zimshak. Okay? Zimshak, shaka shak. Is there. So, then we have to use tashabju tu. That means go. It's a word. So another sentence is there. Nam to zik. Look inside. Nam means inside. Tu is the main point of Latin. And zik means look. Look inside. Look inside. So when the sentence is there, so the word chaveyul is inside. The place is inside. What you have to do inside? You have to look. You have to peep from the window and you have to look. Okay? That means that you are looking inside the room or you are looking inside somewhere else inside your room, your bedroom or anything, anywhere. These type of sentences are known as Nami Nipa Lesu Chawa. Nami Nipa Lesu Chawa. The definition once again I will repeat. Nami Nipa Lesu Chawa. Definition of Nami Nipa Lesu Chawa is Chawa Chepe Gyupa. Chawa Chepe Gyupa. Zoro Tempe La Dim Chenki Nami La Nipa Lesu Chawa. Selves. Chawa Chepe Gyupa. The person doing work, showing you the work in the particular place. That type of sentence are known as Nami Nipa Lesu Chawa. Chale Yula Chawa Chepa Zora Tempe Ladin Chenki. But there must be Ladin. There must be this 7 main points must be there in that sentence. Any such as Su, Ra or Ru or Tu or Na or La or Tu. If the sentence is like that, so definitely we can say that type of sentence are known as Nami Nipa Lesu Chawa. Number 1 is done. So number 2, from 4, 5, now comes number 2. Number 2 is Nami Shipa Gyuche. Nami Shipa Gyuche. So the definition of Nami Shipa Gyuche is Chawa Chepe Gyupa Zora Tempe Ladin Chengi Namela Nami Shipa Gyuche says. So Nami Nipa Lesu Chawa is a person doing work. So Nami Shipa Gyuche means that Chawa Chepe Gyupa Zora Tempe. Person doing work, but there must be a reason why the person is doing work. So examples are there. Ni Jabu may say, if you are feeling sick, so we take medicine, no? So we take medicine to be cure ourselves. Okay, to be cure ourselves. So Gyupa means a reason. What is the reason? Netapa, to be cured. So Ladin Gyuche is what? Tashabju, to. So Chawa, what is the word? We are eating medicine. Eating medicine is the word. So why we are eating medicine? What is the reason? To be cured. To be cured ourselves. So these type of sentences are known as Nami Shipa Gyuche. Ce ring to Lüzel Jang. So next sentence is Ce ring to Lüzel Jang. We do exercise to keep ourselves fit. To keep ourselves fit. Seringwa means to be long life. To be Seringwa. Sering means to be long life. So to be long life is a reason. So what we have to do to be ourselves healthy and to be our long life. So Lizal Jang. We do exercise. Exercise is a word. Why we are doing exercise? What is the reason? To be ourselves fit, to keep ourselves fit. That is the main point of Nami Shipa Gyuche. So I think today I will teach you this one only. 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5. 3, 4 and 5 we will do in next class. Okay? 3, 4 and 5 we will do in next class. So why I am not teaching you all this means today work you have to learn the Tsawa. You have to learn the Tsawa by heart. You have to learn the Tsawa by heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lines are there. What? From the Lesson 1, from the book, from the Tibetan grammar book. From there you have to learn that Tsawa. Okay, you have to learn that Tsawa. It is in page number 16. You have to learn it by heart. So, Su, Ra, Ru, Tu, Na, La, Tu, La, Din, Nampa, Duni, Days. Okay? Sura, Rutu, Na, this is a Latin. There are 7 main points of Latin. Okay, Latin number means there are 7 main points of Latin. These 7 points can be used in 5 different ways. That is Nami Nipa, Lesu Chawa, Nami Shipa, Nami Dumpa, Teni, and Seka. So today I have taught you 1 and 2. Nami Nipa and Nami Shipa. Okay. Then Sasu Kawa Takar. Where can we use such Yusu? If the gender is Ka and Pa, we have to use Sasu. If the gender is Sa, we have to use Sasha Yusu. If the gender is Ka and Pa, we have to use And Tata, we have to use Tashabjutu. If the gender is Na, Tara, Na, Ra, La, we have to use Tashabjutu. If the gender is Ha and without gender, we have to use Ra or Ru. These are the main points. Ha, Tan, Tami, Ra, Tan, Ru. So if you learn that Sawa by heart, it will be very easy for you to understand about Latin, about Tibetan grammar. Latin, topic is Latin. Okay? So you learn that Sawa and try to understand. If you cannot understand, so you can send me a message in your WhatsApp group. So your class teacher will definitely forward me that, so I can explain you to WhatsApp in your contact, from your contact number. Okay, if you are having any problem, you just give me a call. So from there I will explain you anytime. Okay, till then, take care, be safe. Thank you. Tuiche.